Hi, this is Matthew Webrink with Team 36 on the Backend DevOps Engineer project, and here is our artifact review. Starting with the GitHub, we basically updated the Jenkins file on here. It's just showing the commit to it. Um, Also uploaded documentation that we've sent to Third Eye on actually setting up the instances themselves, if they wanted to like have a walkthrough of their own. It's a quite large file. And then this file right here is actually just an image of the proof that everything is set up with the the pipeline on showing the migration of everything together. So as we can see in the instances here, we have this sprint. Basically what we were trying to do was have everything pulled together, so that way it was sorted, but also hooking everything up to work together. So right here is our automatic scaling group, the first instance of it that we've created. That one had just finished up, and the plan for next sprint is to add it in to work with AWS CodeDeploy. CodeDeploy communicates with an S3 server that also watches for the Jenkins build server right here. And Jenkins is hooked up to our GitHub. And pretty much how it works right now is if we push anything to GitHub, Jenkins will watch for it. It does the continuous integration, and then the continuous deployment from CodeDeploy works in our favor as everything communicates. And here is instances pulled up for each of them. And let me show y'all the video we took earlier. We took this video earlier. We were having some issues with pushing a Docker image through CodeDeploy. It kept having issues. So we basically were troubleshooting, trying to figure out why it was having problems, showing on the Jenkins file here to the left and showing all the build fails. And as we kept on troubleshooting, we actually had a successful deployment that actually got into the works along the way. And you'll see down here along that we are checking to see if the PHP web server app that we sent worked. That was me just circling it in excitement that it finally pushed through. And then here we are checking to see if the PHP app and the SQL databases are communicating with each other, which they were. And then we went to go check through for some final build test, and this is where it finally showed that CodeDeploy was working correctly and we were having events along the way. Thank you all very much, and that is our artifact review.